Things to know before starting your crypto journey. A product of information technology has become immensely popular these days. It is widely used nowadays and has become an integral part of digital transactions. Yes, you're right, it's the cryptocurrency, which brought about an opportunity to shine a new light on some of the puzzles associated with an innovative set of technological advances that fit with the digital economy subfield. However, when starting your own crypto journey is not a piece of cake. It requires high knowledge in this field, so stay tuned for a complete roadmap about starting your own crypto journey. Hello everyone, and welcome back to CryptoTrends. Today in this video, we will discuss what major things you should know before starting your crypto journey, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. But first, what is digital currency? Digital currency is a form of currency that is available only in digital or electronic form. It is also called digital money, electronic currency, or cyber cash. Typical digital currencies do not require intermediaries and are often the cheapest method for trading currencies. Some of the advantages of digital currencies are that they enable seamless transfer of value and can make transaction costs cheaper. Some of the disadvantages of digital currencies are that they can be volatile to trade and are susceptible to hacks. Digital currencies do not have physical attributes and are available only in digital form. Digital currencies have utilities similar to that of physical currencies. They can be used to purchase goods and pay for services. They can also find restricted use among certain online communities, such as gaming sites, gambling portals, or social networks. Having known about digital currency, let us know more about cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is an encrypted data string that denotes a unit of currency. It is monitored and organized by a peer-to-peer network called a blockchain, which also serves as a secure ledger of transactions. For example, buying, selling, and transferring. Unlike physical money, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means they are not issued by governments or other financial institutions. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency only. Cryptocurrencies are created and secured through cryptographic algorithms that are maintained and confirmed in a process called mining, where a network of computers or specialized hardware, such as application-specific integrated circuits or ASICs, process and validate the transactions. The process incentivizes the miners who run the network with the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Monero are popular cryptocurrencies. The importance of cryptocurrency can be better understood by its work, so we'll tell you how a cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers and then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another without a trusted third party. Some popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin, but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Knowing all this, now we can brief you on how to start your crypto journey. You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. These are 1. Choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers. These are online brokers who offer ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency, as well as other financial assets like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs, but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet storage, interest-bearing account options, and more. Many exchanges charge asset-based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and any educational resources. Step 2. Funding your account. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can begin trading. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase crypto using fiat or government-issued currencies such as the US dollar, the British pound, or the euro using their debit or credit cards, although this varies by platform. Crypto purchases with credit cards are considered risky, and some exchanges don't support them. Some credit card companies don't allow crypto transactions either. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and it is not advisable to risk going into debt or potentially paying high credit card transaction fees for certain assets. Some platforms will also accept ACH transfers and wire transfers. The accepted payment methods and time is taken for deposits or withdrawals differ per platform. Equally, the time taken for deposits to clear varies by payment method. An important factor to consider is fees. These include potential deposit and withdrawal transaction fees plus trading fees. Fees will vary by payment method and platform, which is something to research at the outset. Step 3. Placing an order. You can place an order via your broker's or exchange's web or mobile platform. If you're planning to buy cryptocurrencies, you can do so by selecting Buy, choosing the order type, entering the number of cryptocurrencies you want to purchase, and confirming the order. The same process applies to sell orders. There are also other ways to invest in crypto. These include payment services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allow users to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. In addition, there are the following investment vehicles. Bitcoin Trust. You can buy shares of Bitcoin Trust with a regular brokerage account. These vehicles give retail investors exposure to crypto through the stock market. Bitcoin Mutual Funds. There are Bitcoin ETFs and Bitcoin mutual funds to choose from. Blockchain stocks or ETFs. You can also indirectly invest in crypto through blockchain companies that specialize in the technology behind crypto and crypto transactions. Alternatively, you can buy stocks or ETFs of companies that use blockchain technology. The best option for you will depend on your investment goals and risk appetite. Once you've purchased cryptocurrency, you need to store it safely to protect it from hacks or theft. Usually, cryptocurrency is stored in crypto wallets, which are physical devices or online software used to store the private keys to your cryptocurrency securely. Some exchanges provide wallet services, making it easy for you to store directly through the platform. However, not all exchanges or brokers automatically provide wallet services for you. There are different wallet providers to choose from. The terms hot wallet and cold wallet are used. Hot wallet storage. Hot wallets refer to crypto storage that uses online software to protect the private keys of your assets. Cold wallet storage. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets, also known as hardware wallets, rely on offline electronic devices to securely store your private keys. Typically, cold wallets tend to charge fees, while hot wallets don't. It is an open affair that even though crypto is widely used, there is a whole lot of risk associated with it. Here are some disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Scalability. Probably the biggest concerns with cryptocurrency are the problems with scaling that are posed. While the number of digital coins and adoption is increasing rapidly, it is still dwarfed by the number of transactions the payment giant Visa processes each day. Cybersecurity issues. As a digital technology, cryptocurrencies will be subject to cybersecurity breaches and may fall into the hands of hackers. Price volatility and lack of inherent value. Price volatility tied to the lack of inherent value is a major problem, and one of the specifics that Warren Buffett referred to specifically a few weeks ago when he characterized the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a bubble. It is an important concern, but one that can be overcome by linking the cryptocurrency value directly to tangible and intangible assets. Even after all these risks, people do invest in crypto and trust crypto, as crypto is the future of digital currencies. In the near future, we hope that the security of using crypto will definitely increase. So that's it for today, guys, as it's time to wrap up today's video. Do tell us your opinions about crypto and how you started your crypto journey in the comment box. We hope you liked the video, and for more such content, do subscribe to our channel and do share with your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Till then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.